happy boy? Shake hands. Shake hands. What? What? Hi. Are you a good boy? Yes. Yeah. Hi. Hello. You're a good boy. Say, I'm happy boy. I'm a happy boy. Good boy. Yeah. Hi. Hello. What? Cracker. I just gave it. He loves pretzels. I just gave you a cracker. But if you give it to him, he's not going to talk for your dad. Say, I'm doing well. And I got lots of friends and neighbors come to play.
Cracker? Cracker?
Cracker.
Here you go, cracker.
Oh, yeah, baby. You could just give him a little piece of it.
I want to see him fumble with it.
He wants to put it in a dish because it's too big. He usually puts it in a dish when it's big. Oh, poor boy. Here. Mommy fix it.